Hello, friends. Welcome to Daily PT Pointers, in which we will discuss the important headlines of the day for March 1st. Our first topic is related to International Big Cat Alliance. ये टॉपिक प्रेस इन्फॉर्मेशन ब्यूरो में आया था और इन्वायरमेंट सेक्शन के लिए रेलिवेंट है. Recently, the Union Cabinet approved the establishment of International Big Cat Alliance with headquarters in India. The International Big Cat Alliance has been conceived as a multi-country, multi-agency coalition of 96 big cat range countries, non-range countries interested in big cat conservation. If we talk about its governance, so the IBCA governance consists of assembly of members, standing committee, and a secretariat with its headquarters in India. And do you know, friends, there are 7 big cats which include tiger, lion, leopard, snow leopard, puma, jaguar, and cheetah. And out of these, 5 big cats that are tiger, lion, leopard, snow leopard, and cheetah are found in India, which means Puma and Jaguar are not found in India. हमारा नेक्स्ट टॉपिक लेपर्ड से रिलेटेड है. ये टॉपिक मिंट न्यूज़पेपर में आया था और इन्वायरमेंट सेक्शन के लिए रेलिवेंट है. Recently, the Union Minister for Environment, Forest and Climate Change released the report on status of leopards in India. This was the 5th cycle of leopard population estimation and was carried out by National Tiger Conservation Authority and Wildlife Institute of India. Now, if we talk about its key findings, so the India's leopard numbers rose by 8% from 12,852, which was in 2018, to 13,874 in 2022. And Madhya Pradesh houses the largest population of leopard in the country, followed by Maharashtra, Karnataka, and Tamil Nadu. If we talk about tiger reserves or sites with highest leopard population, so these are Nagarjun Sagar Sri Sailam, which is in Andhra Pradesh, followed by Panna and Satpura, and these two are in मध्य प्रदेश. हमारा नेक्स्ट टॉपिक न्यूली डिस्कवर्ड हेड शील्ड सी स्लग से रिलेटेड है. ये टॉपिक द हिंदू न्यूज़पेपर में आया था और इन्वायरमेंट सेक्शन के लिए रेलिवेंट है. रिसेंटली द जूलॉजिकल सर्वे ऑफ इंडिया नेम्ड अ न्यू मरीन स्पीशीज ऑफ हेड शील्ड सी स्लग विद रूबी रेड स्पॉट आफ्टर प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया द्रौपदी मुर्मू. नाउ लेट्स डिस्कस अबाउट द स्पीशीज. सो दिस स्पीशीज belonging to Melanoclamis genus was discovered from Digha of West Bengal coast and Udaipur of Odisha coast. The new species of head shield sea slug, which is found nowhere in the world, is named as Melanoclamis draupadi. And species of genus Melanoclamis are characterized morphologically by a short, blunt and cylindrical body and a smooth dorsal surface with 2 dorsal equal or unequal shields named the anterior cephalic and posterior shield. हमारा नेक्स्ट टॉपिक ओबेसिटी से रिलेटेड है. ये टॉपिक द हिंदू न्यूज़पेपर में आया था और हेल्थ सेक्शन के लिए रेलिवेंट है. Recently, a new study published in The Lancet has revealed that obesity rates among children and adolescents worldwide increased 4 times from 1990 to 2022, while obesity rates among adults have more than doubled. The total number of children, adolescents, and adults worldwide living with obesity has surpassed 1 billion, and in total 159 million children and adolescents and 879 million adults were obese in 2022. And if we talk about Indian scenario, so as per the Lancet paper, in India the obesity rate increased from 0.1% in 1990 to 3.1% in 2022 for girls and 0.1% to 3.9% for boys. And in the prevalence of obesity category for girls and boys, India ranked 174th in the world in 2022. हमारा नेक्स्ट टॉपिक रूफटॉप सोलर स्कीम से रिलेटेड है. ये टॉपिक इंडियन एक्सप्रेस में आया था और इन्वायरमेंट सेक्शन के लिए रेलिवेंट है. रिसेंटली द यूनियन कैबिनेट अप्रूव अ रूफटॉप सोलर स्कीम विच इज नेम्ड एज पीएम सूर्य घर मुफ्त बिजली योजना टू इंस्टॉल रूफटॉप सोलर पैनल्स अक्रॉस 10 million households with a total outlay of approximately rupees 75,000 crore. If we talk about beneficiaries, so beneficiaries of this scheme will get free electricity of up to 300 units per month. हमारा आज का नेक्स्ट और लास्ट टॉपिक क्रिटिकल मिनरल से रिलेटेड है. ये टॉपिक इंडियन एक्सप्रेस में आया था और साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी सेक्शन के लिए रेलिवेंट है. रिसेंटली इंडिया लॉन्च द सेकंड पार्ट ऑफ इट्स क्रिटिकल मिनरल्स ऑक्शन एंड अ टोटल ऑफ 18 blocks of critical and strategic minerals including graphite, tungsten, vanadium, cobalt and nickel among others will be auctioned. Now, what are critical minerals? So, a critical mineral is labeled as critical when the risk of supply shortage and associated impact on the economy is relatively higher than the other raw materials. The Center for Socio-Economic Progress, in its paper Assessing the Criticality of Minerals in India 2023, evaluated the criticality of minerals in India based on 2 dimensions, and these are economic importance for the Indian economy and supply risks. So, friends, ये आज के हमारे important headlines of the day थे. For more updates on current affairs, you can follow us on our social media platforms. Thank you.